Hello everyone, this is Taros Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel, and now we will move to the water sign for the second half of the August. What are the messages for the water signs Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces? Okay, these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with you. So please take the messages wisely. Okay, and make sure you have been subscribed my channel, and if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, give me likes. Okay, and now we will start with the reading for the water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, what is the messages for the water sign for the second half of the August? Okay, lots of messages, so much things are going on. Oh wow, the first card is the Two of Cups. Okay, Two of Cups, very nice. Okay, Eight of Cups, the Magician, the Devil, the Chariot, the Ten of Wands, and the Ten of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Okay, so we will see one by one. So I will pull the clarifiers. Why the Eight of Cups? Why the Eight of Cups is here? Okay, the Page of Cups. Why the Devil is here? Why the Devil is here? Okay, two cards. Okay, you people might be dealing with the earth sign and the earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the female strongly. Okay, why the Ten of Swords? Why the Ten of Swords is here? Why the Ten of Swords is here? Why the Ten of Swords is here? Okay, why the Ten of Swords is here? Okay, Four of Pentacles. Okay, Ten of Cups, and the bottom of the deck overall energy is the Six of Cups. Fine. So you people might be dealing with the Capricorn. Okay, this is the Devil card is the Capricorn. Okay, and whatever the tough cycle in your life, you people are has been backstab. Okay, in the current past, I strongly feel in the current past, or if for some of you it might be coming into your way in the second half of the August. So take care of yourself to find for it, or to just face to that things. Okay, and that might be the person of the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you might be some of you who has been not been backstab. So that for them you may feel severe back pain, or maybe some issues regarding your back, but it is the backstab energy. Okay, so 110 is upright, 110 is reverse, because you has been backstabbed by your family. Okay, has been because of some money issues, you are not spending the money for them, or you are maybe controlling on them anyhow, like by your decisions, by your actions. Okay, you feel they feel that you are controlling them, even though it is not there, but still they are feeling that. So some backstab energy is there. Okay, and you are guarding yourself, and you are very decisive about the situation. You just want to defend all these things, and you just coming out of the sleepless nights. Okay, before you was feeling the sleepless nights, and you are now coming out of the sleepless night. Okay, and you are moving on, which is not serving you. And for some of you it might be someone has been offer you their cup of love, but you don't want to that, because in the past you faced very disappointments from that person, and you has been done so many things for them, but that person has been not done anything for you. and now you don't want to give them any chance. You just want to move on from this connection or move on from this situation. Okay, this might be your work situation, or this might be your, they has been not paid you, they has been there no respect for you, anything like that. Okay, so you just want to move on from this situation. Okay, and the Chariot. So the devil card is the signifies by the King of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. You might be very thinking regarding your money, or you might be in full of your emotions. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are a very emotional person, and right now or in the coming August or the second half of the August, you will be very sensitive, very sensitive. Even though someone says anything to you, you will just feel bad, or you might be feel so much happy. So you will be in your element, but it might be hyper. Okay, beyond the limitations, anything, the anger or the love, anything. And regarding your money matter, I told you, you will be very possessive regarding your emotions, regarding your money, regarding your family, regarding your wife, regarding your husband. And because of that, it might be over caring. And this is somehow, even if it, when it is in the at some certain limits, it is fine, but that person might be feeling that you are so much controlling on them. I told you, from your family only, that person, family only, the family only feel that you are very controlling to them, and you will become very decisive, because you are now going to very in your emotions, you will flow in your emotions. So please take care of your emotions, and don't do that. Okay, so this is I think it is the water sign season, that's why it might be like this. Okay, and otherwise the Two of Cups, so your soulmate, your twin flame is here, or you might be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And this might be the religion is a issue, or maybe the caste or other different religion. Okay, but this is the soulmate twin flame connection. Okay, and there is a movement in this connection. Okay, so it is the good news for you. So congratulations, and you are now manifesting the good things for you. So you have everything in your plate. Okay, the God is giving you everything. You just have to wish. Okay, so make a wish in such a way that it will be beneficial for you in the future also. Okay, long term. Okay, so be take care, please take care regarding the manifestation. But in the second half of the August, you have the power to create your own reality. So take care of it, and please take a charge of it, and use this energy in a good way. Okay, in a good way. So this was your reading. I will pull some advice cards for you. And overall thing is a Six of Pentacles. So this might be your twin flame soulmate, I told you, or maybe past life connection, higher level of soulmate, or the age difference is there. So you are just wanting to offer your cup of love to them, and they will give it, they will like to take it. Okay, so you are just juggling in the family, work life, financial life, or your emotional life, and the other outer world. Okay, so you just have to find the balance in both the things. Okay, you just, your work in the second whatever you just have to take care in the second half of the August is, you just have to balance all the things. Okay, it might be your career, it might be your personal life, it might be your other things. Okay, so we will see what are the messages from the unicorns decks, guidance and advices from them. Okay, first is the help. Okay, the help you need is on its way, so keep watching for it. Whatever you need, yeah, I told you, because you are in your so much of emotion, so much of, you are thinking regarding your money, and you just feeling that someone is controlling you. It might be there for some of you, and that person might be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So you just whatever you need the help, it is there. Okay, divine is with you, so help is there. So you just have to keep your open mind and open your eyes, the help is there. Okay, you just have to call for help. Okay, then the blessings 3. Count your blessings and the good in your life will multiply. Okay, you just, I told you so many you have so many major arcana. See the magician, because whatever you wish, it will, you have the ability to make it true. Okay, in the physical world. And the chariot is positive movements are there in regarding your love life or regarding your marriage life. It might be who are married, so you might be getting your in the higher level of your connection, like you might be getting some news of pregnancy or anything. Okay, it might be like this. Okay, so you might be having the good news. So count your blessings, and the good in your life will multiply. Okay, you might be giving you might be just handling some puppets or anything, or you, it might be some chances that lots of birds and the pets are around you, so take care of them also. Okay, and the invisibility, take off your cloak of invisibility and let the light in the let your light be seen. Okay, you have so many good things in you. Okay, you have all the skills, I told you, you have all the skills, just you have to show your skills all to the all world. Okay, because you just right now you are in the phase of invisibility, you are not seeing all the things whatever in there in you. Okay, but universe is telling you, you are capable of that. Show your power to the world, show your skills to the world. Okay, so this is strongly messages for the specific message for the some of you. Wishes, see, be careful what you wish for, as you one wish will be granted. I told you in this second half of the August, your wish is going to granted, you will be able to make the things in reality. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, take it in positive way, and it should be your long term, the beneficial outcome for the your long term. So you just have to wish very carefully. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose. Okay, act on your soul purpose today. Okay, then only you will be in your power, then will be in your power. This is the major arcana. Okay, so these are the messages for the water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the second half of the August. Please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want new readings, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.